Hello and welcome to Mathematics with Mr. Kumalo. If it's your first time here, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get notified when I drop the next video. In today's exciting video, we are looking at Bodmas. What is Bodmas? Bodmas is your order of operations. Without wasting time, let's take a look. First of all, what is Bodmas, or what do we mean by Bodmas? So Bodmas is your order of operations. So when you talk of order of operations and you talk of the word Bodmas, we are talking about one and the same thing. So Bodmas in itself basically tells us the order in which we need to do our operations. Our main operations being mainly multiplication, addition, subtraction, division. And we can look at all other things and see them as our operations within the Bodmas context. Now, so the first thing that you want to do when you get your sum is check for all of these operations and try them to do them according to the order in which Bodmas gives you. So first of all, if there are brackets, you will start with brackets. If there are orders, which are things like your square roots, your cube roots, or exponents, then that is where you would also start. Then you have division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So your division and multiplication are treated on the same level. So what does that mean? That means in your number sentence or in your sum, when you have multiplication and division, it does not matter which one comes first. You do that first. If division comes first, you do division first. If multiplication comes before division, you do multiplication first. So they are on the same level. Then the next thing we have is addition and subtraction. Again, addition and subtraction are also on the same level. So that means that in your sum or number sentence, whichever one comes first, that is the one that you will do first. So if addition comes first, you do addition first. If subtraction comes first, you do subtraction first. But not least, what is important is just to remember also that you will always do division and multiplication before you add or subtract. So you will never add or subtract while your number sentence or sum still has division or multiplication within it. Let's take a look at our first example. Right, now that we understand Bodmas and what we mean by the order of operations, let's look at all these examples on the board. Now, number one, we have 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4. Now, step number one, check your operations. So in this case, I can see the operations given to me. I have addition and I have multiplication. Step number two, check what does Bodmas say. Do I multiply first or do I add first? According to Bodmas, I need to multiply before I add. So what do? I drop the 2, I drop my addition side, and then I start with multiplication. 3 multiplied by 4 gives me 12, and now I can go and add 2 plus 12 gives you 14. If we look at number 2 again, we have 25 minus open bracket 16 divided by 8 close bracket. Step number 1, check your operations. Here I can see I have subtraction and I have division, but I have my division inside my bracket. Step number 2, after checking my operations, I need to go and look at my Bodmas rule again and say, according to Bodmas, where do I need to start? And according to Bodmas, I need to start with brackets. So you start with whatever it is in your brackets, regardless of the operation over here. So now I'm going to drop the 25, my subtraction side, and then start with what is in my bracket. So 16 divided by 8 gives me 2, and now I can go and subtract, and 25 minus 2 gives you 23. Right, over here we have 88 minus 24 divided by 8. Step number 1, check your operations. So here I can see I have subtraction and I have division. Step number 2, apply Bodmas. According to Bodmas, I need to divide before I subtract. So I drop my 88, drop my subtraction, and I start over here. 25 divided by 8, or 8 goes into 24 3 times, and 88 minus 3 gives you 85. Number 3, we have 7 times 7 plus 18 divided by 9. Right, so I check my operations and I apply Bodmas accordingly. So I will multiply and I will divide before I add. So 7 times 7 gives you 49, plus 18 divided by 9 gives you 2, and then 49 plus 2 gives you 51. Next example, number 4. We have 12 divided by 12 multiplied by 4 plus 100 times 0. Again, I check my operations and then I apply Bodmas accordingly. And Bodmas says to me, I need to divide and multiply before I add. So I will do my division and multiplication before I add. Right, going from left to right, 12 divided by 12 gives me 1. Right, then we have multiplied by 4 plus 100 multiplied by 0. Right, so I will multiply before I add. So 1 times 4 is 4, plus 100 multiplied by 0 is 0, since any number multiplied by 0 is 0, and then 4 plus 0 is equals to 4. In the last two examples, number 5 and 6, we can see that we are having some square roots and some exponents, right? And I hope in future we can do another video where we will only be doing calculations on square roots and exponents, as that is another topic on its own. And this is a topic that you normally deal with from grade 7 going up, but you can also have them in the context whereby you still have to apply Bodmas. And if you don't understand square roots and exponents, I suggest that you go look at them, but I hope I can do another video later on where I explain them better. Right, again, now we need to apply our Bodmas rule and do these following calculations. Now, if we look over here, we have brackets, and inside our brackets we have an addition sign, and then we have divided by 3, subtraction, and multiplication. So according to Bodmas, we need to start with what is in our brackets. And then we need to divide and multiply, or we need to first solve our orders and then divide and multiply. So in our brackets, if we solve that, we have 27 plus 42. So what is 27 plus 42? So we have 40, 50, 60, 67. We have 69. Divided by 3 now, minus 5, and if we were to write this out according to our exponential rules, this would be 2 multiplied by 2. And 2 multiplied by 2 will give you 4. So this means we're having multiplied by 4. And now we have 69 divided by 3, which gives you 23. I drop subtraction because I need to multiply and divide before I subtract. So 5 multiplied by 4 gives me 20, and 23 minus 20 gives you 3. Right, in the next one, I have my square root sign. Right, the square root of 25 is 5 times 5, so 5 times 5 gives you 25, plus, as we've already seen over there, 2 squared gives you 4, multiplied by whatever is in the bracket. So 5 squared, or 5 to the power of 2, is 5 times 5, which is basically 25. So over here, we are having 25 divided by 5. Now, the square root of 25 is 5 times 5. That means the square root of 25 is 5 plus 4 multiplied by 25 divided by 5 is 5. Now, I still check my operations. I need to multiply here before I add, so I drop the 5. I drop my addition sign. 4 multiplied by 5 gives me 20. and 5 plus 20 gives me 25. We have come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below what you think the next video should be all about, or what you hope to see in the near future. Remember, practice makes improvement.